In the opulent, crumbling St. Croix Hotel in New Orleans, room 413 remains booked forever, yet its door is never opened. Except once every 7 years, for one night. Tonight is that night. Follow along as we begin this story. Room 413 only opens once every 7 years. The Bourbon Orleans Hotel smells like old money and older ghosts. I've worked the night audit here for 12 years, long enough to know which creaks are the buildings settling and which ones aren't. Long enough to know that room 413 is always listed as occupied on the system, yet the keycard logs show no one has ever swiped in. Housekeeping doesn't clean it. Management pretends it doesn't exist. Guests who ask about it are told, politely, that the room is under long-term reservation for a private party. Most laugh and forget. Some don't. I first noticed the pattern in 2011. November 30th. The ancient brass key for 413, one of the few originals still kept behind the desk, was missing from its hook. I found it the next morning, back in place, cold as if it had spent the night in ice. The security footage from the fourth floor hallway was nothing but static from 2:17 a.m. to 2:19 a.m., exactly 2 minutes. No one ever mentioned a guest checking in. 7 years later, November 30th, 2018, the key was gone again. This time I waited. At 2:13 a.m. the elevator dinged though no one had called it. The doors opened on an empty car. I watched the floor indicator climb by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, it stopped. The light for the fourth floor glowed, then dimmed, like someone had stepped out. I should have stayed behind the desk. Instead, I took the stairs. The fourth floor hallway smelled wrong, like wet earth after rain, though it hadn't rained in days. Every door was shut except one. 413 stood open exactly 3 inches. A thin line of yellow light bled onto the carpet runner. From inside came the low murmur of voices, too soft to make out words, too many to count. I told myself I was just going to close it. That's all. When I reached the door, the murmuring stopped. The silence that followed felt deliberate, like someone on the other side had put a hand